Hello, welcome to AI Factory. Get ready to witness a groundbreaking leap in creativity. Image generation has never been this precise or this powerful. Gone are the days of frustrating commands and confusing inputs. With AI's revolutionary new feature, your artistic visions come to life effortlessly, capturing every detail with unparalleled accuracy. Let's dive into the future of imagination. In this video, I'm not only going to talk about the new image generation feature in ChatGPT, but I'll also introduce a free AI image generator that can rival ChatGPT's capabilities. Plus, I'll share an unlimited AI video creation tool that lets you make animations in just minutes.
Curious about AI image? Subscribe to my channel for more insights and updates.
Transform your photos into any style, animate them, and achieve stunning results. If you're looking to use free AI tools, you're in for a treat. Grab your coffee, sit back, and listen closely until the end. First, let me introduce you to ChatGPT's new image generator. With this feature, you can effortlessly recreate any picture into virtually any style you can imagine. From realistic portraits to comics, posters, and multilingual options, this tool has got it all. You can combine different characters and objects, expand images to make them larger, and even add multiple characters to the same picture. So whether you're creating bilingual posters, illustrations, or comics, ChatGPT's image generator makes it incredibly easy to bring your ideas to life. Let me guide you on how to use precise and effective prompts to test and evaluate the new image generation feature of ChatGPT-4o to see if it's truly as extraordinary as it claims. If you don't have the paid version of ChatGPT, don't worry. Later in this video, I'll introduce a free AI image generator combined with a free AI video creation tool to help you create animations effortlessly. Even paid users might encounter limits or errors during the generation process, and may ultimately need to rely on this free AI image generator. So hold tight. Here's an example. I have a portrait of a woman, and I'll demonstrate how to transform it into different artistic styles using ChatGPT-4o. First, select the GPT-4o version, upload her photo, and input the prompt, recreate this image in the style of Studio Ghibli. You can replace this style with any other that suits your needs. The generated result retains the woman's appearance, composition, color palette, and overall vibe, with intricate and detailed precision. Although rendering takes a little time, the outcome is impressive. Comparing it to the original, everything matches except her head, which doesn't tilt slightly to the left as in the initial photo. Otherwise, every detail, from the hairstyle, which reveals a strand of hair on the right, to the necklace, earrings, and background, is identical. Next, let's adjust the tilt of her head slightly to the left. After waiting a moment, the updated image keeps all other elements intact except for the head tilt. Although there is a slight difference in direction compared to the original image, the overall consistency remains intact. Truly remarkable results. Let's try a 3D Pixar-style next. While it takes a moment to render, the features of the original image are closely replicated: eye color, face shape, and more. I also experimented with the American superhero style, and the level of matching was similarly high, except for a slight difference in the necklace. Everything else looked great. Finally, I tried the sci-fi and cyberpunk style, which not only transformed the character, but also changed the background to match the sci-fi and cyberpunk aesthetic. The results were stunning and felt incredibly immersive, with only minimal differences compared to the original image. Truly fascinating. With this amazing feature, we can maintain character consistency while changing expressions, outfits, materials, poses, or even actions. This functionality is quite similar to the method I demonstrated in my previous tutorial: free AI video creation for character consistency. Google Gemini AI, Google AI Studio. If you haven't seen that video yet, be sure to check it out on my channel. For example, here's a flat sketch of a cat I originally drew. Today, I wanted to transform this flat illustration into a realistic 3D version of the cat. Using ChatGPT, I input the prompt, recreate this cat in a realistic style. The result was astonishing. A true-to-life cat with accurate fur, eyes, whiskers, and an overall stunning appearance. I loved it. If I didn't say it was AI generated, no one would believe it was a realistic photo created from a 2D sketch. Next, I wondered if I could change the material of the cat while still maintaining character consistency. I asked ChatGPT to recreate this cat in origami style. The result was fantastic, a paper-folded origami cat. Then, I prompted recreate this cat in plush style. And it turned into an adorable plush cat, which also looked excellent. Finally, I tried recreate this cat in wood carving style. And the result was incredibly realistic, with 2 tufts of whiskers on its face and detailed fur textures on its body. All the intricate details were perfectly consistent across every transformation. As you can see, the barrier to creating stunning visuals is incredibly low. Just a little creativity and imagination is all you need to produce realistic photos or images. ChatGPT's ability to understand text is particularly impressive. For example, give it a prompt like, "Please create an image of the following 10 adorable flat minimalist-style cat stickers, each featuring a unique pose with the text. Each of the 10 cats has its own unique traits, whether it's their color, breed, or other features. What might these 10 cats have looked like when they were born?" ChatGPT generated an image based on this, but one cat seemed to be missing. After regenerating it, the result was perfect with all 10 cats corresponding to the descriptions. Although the text at the bottom was cut off slightly due to limited space, the output was still extraordinary. The text and visuals were incredibly accurate. Achieving this level of precision was nearly impossible in the past. Even with other AI image generation tools, this level of detail couldn't be matched. But now, with this feature, you can essentially design anything you want, any style, color, or material, and it will generate an image tailored exactly to your requirements. It's truly revolutionary. We can also combine characters with different objects within an image. For instance, I had a portrait of a girl and a picture of a crane. I uploaded both images to ChatGPT and entered the prompt, "Create an image of the woman from image 1, riding the crane from image 2, depicted in the style of Studio Ghibli." After waiting for the rendering, the results were truly incredible. The image showed the girl perfectly maintaining character consistency. Her outfit, accessories, and hairstyle were identical to the original, and the creative execution was impressively precise. If you want to adjust the aspect ratio of an image, you need to explicitly inform ChatGPT. For example, I uploaded 2 character illustrations, a woman and a man, and entered the prompt, "Create a 16:9 ratio image of the woman from image 1 and the man from image 2 arguing and changing their clothes, set against a street at night." The outcome was simply amazing. The generated image captured a vivid and dynamic storyline, paying close attention to details like facial expressions, and delivered exactly what I had envisioned. It was absolutely stunning. ChatGPT can also expand images based on specific requests, another powerful feature. For example, I uploaded a vertical image of a humorous bluebird and wanted to include a fox while changing the aspect ratio. The prompt I used was, "Expand this image to a 16:9 ratio and add a cute fox sitting on the floor, wearing the same sweater and hat as the bird in the image, while maintaining the same art style." The transformation was extraordinary. It completely understood my requirements and expressed them accurately within the image, preserving character consistency and the original art style with virtually no errors. Additionally, ChatGPT can add text to images. I uploaded the original image and asked it to turn it into a movie poster and include text. For some reason, it added the fox from the previous image, which made the result somewhat amusing. However, the text and font were perfectly executed and looked super stylish. When I regenerated the image, the new version turned out much better. It's truly an impressive tool. Let's talk about how you can transform your photos into Studio Ghibli style or other artistic styles without the paid version of ChatGPT-4o. Don't worry, I'm here to introduce a free AI image generation tool called Grok. Visit the Grok website. Links are in the video description. Simply sign up using your Google account or other options, upload your photo, enter your prompt like "to Ghibli-style," and click the send button. The tool will start rendering your photo into a Studio Ghibli style. The resulting image stays true to the original, with only slight changes to clothing and accessories, while looking more natural in terms of color and even more aligned with the Ghibli aesthetic. I personally think it outshines ChatGPT-4o in this regard. You can click download to save the image or right-click and choose save image as to store it on your computer. Let's explore other styles like 3D Pixar. Its rendering speed seems even faster than ChatGPT, and it delivers consistent character designs based on the original photo. Now, try the American superhero style. Bold, heroic, and true to the classic superhero standards. I think this generation tool is exceptionally impressive. Finally, let's check out the sci-fi and cyberpunk style. The results are breathtaking, proving that Grok is just as remarkable as ChatGPT. The best part? It's completely free. If you like this tool, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. To further test its capabilities, you can use the same prompts we tested with ChatGPT, such as transforming 2D illustrations into 3D renderings or exploring different materials. The results show that Grok is incredibly powerful, delivering diverse styles and textures while maintaining character consistency. So even without ChatGPT-4o, you can create stunning Studio Ghibli-style art or other amazing designs while preserving character consistency. Now, let's talk about generating animations and bringing your characters to life.
Curious about AI image and video generators? Subscribe to my channel for more insights and updates.
For this, there's an incredible AI video generator called Digen.ai. It's a fantastic tool for quickly creating high-quality videos. With 300 tokens per day, you can generate up to 10 10-second videos, which is an amazing deal. You can also create multiple accounts for unlimited free usage. Visit Digen.ai and start creating impressive animations today. To get started, sign up using your Google or other email accounts. Once signed in, upload the image you downloaded from Grok or ChatGPT, which will appear on the left side of the workspace. In the middle panel, you have the option to add a music background. Either upload your own music or choose from their music library. If you'd like to enable lip syncing, turn on the lip sync mode. Next, click on Gen Speech to select the voice that fits your video.
It's easy with Digen's Real Motion.
Ready to make your art move? It's easy with Digen's Real Motion. Watch the magic happen.
Ready to make your art move? It's
Ready to make your art move? It's easy with Digen's Real Motion. Watch the magic.
I personally chose Aurora's voice. Paste the text you want the character to say, and then hit Generate Audio. The platform will quickly create the audio,
Curious about AI image and video generators?
consuming 10 tokens. To confirm, click the check mark. Alternatively, if you already have your own audio, you can upload it or record your voice directly. After this, input your prompt for the video. For example, I simply wrote, "She is talking," and clicked Generate Video. It's an efficient process to create your video seamlessly. Let me walk you through creating another 3D animation. Start by uploading the image, enabling lip sync mode, selecting the voice, and adding the text for your character. Generate the voice, then input your prompt for the video. Finally, generate the animation. The process is swift, and the final output is of excellent quality. If you want to learn more about free unlimited AI image generation tools or image-to-video tools, check out the tutorials on my channel. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for my next tutorial. Thank you for watching.